Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UOIP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis before. It's been several days, but that's where these red lines here are coming from. And the last time I did the chart, these red lines, I always use red for resistance. So these are both levels of resistance, and you can see here, ever since the price broke above that final area of resistance there, the bulls have continued to build the uptrend. So first thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning here and just get rid of these lines. Sure, they still pertain to the chart, but from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to have lines all over the place that can cause clutter and confusion. So just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So let's first start talking about some areas of support. The ideal level of support going forward, meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest is if right there at a penny can continue to hold. I say and use the word continue because you can see several times today the bears try to press down through 0.01, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a fantastic job of holding strong. Now, if the price falls below there, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But if the price can continue to hold there, that would certainly make the chart look, definitely the strongest and most powerful going forward. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, it's really all about the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is going to continue to move its way upwards and look something like that. So when you stop and think about it, okay, well, what does the price have to do in order to stay above a line that's increasing? Well, the price itself has to keep on increasing over time, which by definition is what a bullish move is, right? So that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they really do insult your intelligence. So case in point, very, very simplistic way to measure the health of the current move, this right here being defined as the move. As long as the price is above that purple line going forward, the bulls are in full health, no questions asked. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these battlegrounds at? As it stands right now, the majority of the sellers seem to be hanging out right up here around give or take 0.0127, and I'm just going to focus on that one level of resistance, reason being, in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not a top priority for the chart. Top priority is just keep on repeating history. What do I mean by that? Well, just keep on building higher bases, because as you can see, as the price has built those higher bases, the long-term chart has taken care of itself, which includes breaking areas of resistance. So keep on building higher lows, and the chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.